Alright, so I hear another Australia station, Victor Kilo 3 Echo Yankee. Let's see if we can make contact with them. Hopefully I can, because I think it's really cool to talk to people in Australia with just a wire up in the air, right? So here we go.
And so if you refresh the page, it should be there. Zulu Lima 1, Foxtrot by Kilo. This is Victor Kilo 3, Echo Yankee. Yeah, well, good luck with the hobby. Good luck with the hobby there, Fridolin, and nice to meet you for the first time. And all the best. You might want a nickname. You might want a nickname for the radio, and just it's a little bit easier to spell. It might be hard for some other stations that doesn't speak English that well. But it's up to you. Up to you. My name is Robert, but I just use Rob, so you might want to consider that there, Fridolin. 73. All the best, mate. Take care. Enjoy your afternoon, evening. Zulu Lima 1, Foxtrot Mike Kilo, Victor Kilo 3, Echo Yankee. Yeah, 73 there, Fridolin. All the best. Bye-bye. Victor Kilo 3, Echo Yankee. Listening.
Here we go. November 4, Bravo Kilo Charlie.
I had two stations calling, but I better work the mobile station. The mobile station, try again.
He's going to work the mobile station real quick, so maybe he'll call for me next. Let's see. Alright, let's see.
We'll catch you again another day. 73 is from Victoria. Bye-bye. The other station that was calling, try again. QRZ, this is Victor Kilo 3, Echo Yankee listening.
November 4, Bravo Kilo Charlie.
November 4. I've got the November 4. Didn't quite catch the rest of the call. Try again.
Yes, November 4, Bravo Kilo Charlie. November 4, Bravo Kilo Charlie. QSO.
Yeah, QSL. Nice to meet you for the first time.
Awesome.
November 4, Bravo Kilo Charlie. This is Victor Kilo 3, Echo Yankee Rocket. Good evening, I think it is over there, or maybe early morning. And you're, I think you're 5'7", sometimes speaking 8, 5'7" here, 57 here on the short path across the Pacific. My name is Rob, Romeo Oscar Bravo, and my GTH is in the southeast of Australia, the state of Victoria, about 110 miles north of Melbourne, a place called Shepparton. Anyway, back to you there, my friend. November 4, Bravo Kilo Charlie. This is Victor Kilo 3, Echo Yankee.
Yes, Rob, good to meet you. Yeah, this is the first contact with you, and I believe my second only contact voice into Australia, so that's really cool. My name is Brandon. I'm in southeast Georgia in the United States, so southeast Georgia just above Florida in the United States, and I've got you a solid 5'6". 5'6", you're real loud. I'm surprised it's not 20 over. You sound like you're 20 over, and meter showing 5'6", but sounding really good. I'm running a Yaesu FTDX 10, 100 watts into a Delta Loop, a 264-foot Delta Loop antenna. That's about 40 foot up in the air, horizontal. But great to meet you, and I've been listening to you for a little while. I understand you having some issues with some birds and things like that. I've been enjoying listening to your conversations. This is November 4, Bravo Kilo Charlie. Back to you, Victoria Kilo 3 Echo Yankee.
Yeah, wonderful there, Brandon. Well, nice to meet you, my friend. It's Vex of the 5 and 6 there from southeast Georgia. And you do an excellent job with the Delta Loop, and your 100 watts in the FTDX 10. Well, I'm using here an SDR transceiver called a Hermes Line 2, a solid state amplifier. It's an LD mic from VK3AMP. It's putting out 400 watts. That's our legal limit here, Brandon, and it's feeding into my 2-element hex beam, and my hex beam's only about 35 feet high. But okay, that's your second contact on phone into Australia, and really nice to for that to occur. It's always amazing, the DX, and according to QRZ, it's saying it's about 9,755 miles between you and I. So, your Delta Loop is doing an excellent job. Anyway, there, Brandon. It's afternoon time here. It's 3:13 p.m. here on Wednesday, and nice sunny day, and about just above 70 Fahrenheit. So, microphone back to you. November 4, Bravo, Kilo Charlie. This is Victor Kilo 3 Echo Yankee.
Yes, Rob. It's really interesting. That you can talk that far away with a wire just up in the air by some pine trees. So, that's what I really love about ham radio, and being able to meet people and literally talk as if we're sitting right beside each other. It's actually amazing. That's kind of what made me fall in love with the hobby. I've only been doing it for about 5 years now, and really enjoying it, and really enjoying getting new gear over time. I just got this radio this past weekend. I've gone through 2 other radios in the past 5 years. Started out with a 7300 ICOM, then I got a FTDX 3000, and now I've got this DX10. So it's a lot of fun, and it was great talking with you. And it's early. I should be in bed right now. It's 1:14 in the morning here, and I got to get up in the morning and go back to work. But it's hard not to get on 20 meters and 17 meters and listen around and see who I can talk to. I get a lot of contacts into Europe, but I really like trying to get you guys down there in Australia. I really enjoy the conversation. So back to you, Victor Kilo 3 Echo Yankee, November 4, Bravo Kilo Charlie.
Oh yeah, 100% copy there, Brandon. And it sounds like you've got the bug. You got the bug for ham radio. I sort of reflect on that, what you're saying, and I probably won't stay up so late anymore. But I still enjoy DX and making contacts on the other side of the world. It's just I enjoy it. That's why I like it. I've been a ham for a little while, but it's a lot of fun. But Brandon, I've got to ask. I'm looking at your QRZ page, and it looks like you've got a bit of is that like a flamethrower? Is that you got on your back there? Go ahead.
It is a flamethrower. So kind of long story about me. I'm in the survival and prepping kind of space, and I actually have a television show on Netflix that you may enjoy checking out if you've got Netflix. It's called Southern Survival, and I play around with that flamethrower there on the TV show quite a bit. So we got that. It's a pretty interesting device. It's actually very simple. It's a tank. It's about a 30 mix of diesel and 70% gasoline, and it is pressurized by a CO2 canister like people use for paintball guns. That's what's pressurizing it, and it's literally just pushing it through a rather simple pressure washer wand. And then on the end of that wand is a map gas nozzle from a map gas torch that's also strapped to the bottom of that tank. So you light the map gas torch, and then you squeeze the handle on the pressure washer there, and you get a nice about 45 foot stream of fire coming out the end of it. So, yeah, lots of fun, but you can only hold it down for about 5 seconds before you feel like your skin's going to spontaneously combust. It's extremely hot. So a really cool picture there that I get a lot of questions about. VK3EY, November 4, Bravo Kilo Charlie.
Oh, wonderful. Well, what a great thing to talk about. I find it really interesting, and I'll have to check out the Southern Survival on Netflix and see you in that. That'll be interesting. I've got Netflix here, so I'm looking forward to seeing that there, Brandon. And Well, yeah, I always wondered about the flamethrower. It's pretty simple, isn't it? From what you explained. You know what my job is? Brendan. I'm a firefighter. So, I certainly have had my share of radiant heat from a fire, but never had one strapped to my back and been able to use it from a nozzle. We usually put the fire out here at my job there, Brendan, in QSO.
QSL. Yeah, so it's definitely a great little back and forth here. I've basically got a bomb strapped to my back and shooting fire out and talking to a firefighter. So that's excellent. Good deal. Yeah. Yeah, it's interesting, man. You'll see on the first, you'll probably get a kick out of it on the first episode of that show. We actually go to a training center that some firefighters do here in our local county. And we did some fire type stuff, rappelling out of a tower, and actually got stuck. I won't spoil it for you, but I'm sure you'll get a kick out of that first episode when we're at the fire training facility. So very, very interesting, and I greatly appreciate our firefighters here and admire them, and you as well. Definitely not a job for the faint of heart, for sure, QSL.
Oh, yeah. I've been doing it for, coming up to my 23rd year now, and it's been an enjoyable job, and I still like it, and it'll take me through to retirement. But I'm not so much holding the hose anymore, though. There, Brandon, I'm more directing the crews, but I still go to the fires and ride the truck, so which is the fun bit. But anyway, mate, well, thanks for that. Really interesting to speak to you. I'll let you go because you probably want to go to bed. And I look forward to the next time that we have a QSO here on 17 or even on 20. And in the meantime, I'll check out that series on Netflix, Southern Survival. I'm looking forward to it. And it's nice to know that I've spoken to someone in the show. It's amazing. Well, anyway, mate, you have a great evening, great early morning. Sorry, there in southeast Georgia. And I'll say 73 from the southeast of Australia in the state of Victoria. Back to you, November 4, Bravo, Kilo Charlie to Victor Kilo 3, Echo Yankee.
Yes, sir, Rob. I do appreciate it, man. Thanks for spending some time with me and having a good talk. It's always great to have a little conversation instead of just throwing signal reports out. So I do appreciate your time. And yes, I do need to get to bed. I'm sure my boss and coworkers would greatly appreciate if I do that. So it's been fun. I appreciate you, and I hope I can catch you again some other time. I'm going to put you in the log, and I will be searching you out in the future. Thank you very much. This is Brandon, November 4, Bravo, Kilo Charlie, 7-3 to Rob, Victor Kilo 3, Echo Yankee. Have a great day, sir. 7-3.
Yeah, wonderful there, Brandon. Well, you don't want to be too tired holding that flamethrower, that's for sure. HI. 73s, mate. I enjoyed the chat, and I look forward to the next time. All the best from Australia. November 4, Bravo, Kilo Charlie. This is Victor Kilo 3, Echo Yankee. Cheers and beers there, Brandon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 7-3. All right. Put him in the log. Boom. Talk to Victor. He is way down here in Australia. Right there. So, very cool. There you go. That's proof that we actually have conversations on the air with ham radio. It's amazing. Yeah. You guys going to check out the TV show. And I'm sure we'll have lots of cool stuff to talk about in the event that I am lucky enough to get them on air again. So this video went a little longer than expected, so might have a vertical video up on long form instead of short form. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully it inspires you to search out ham radio. It's an amazing hobby, and also great for emergency communications. Yeah. So it is 1:23 in the morning. I need to go to bed. Love you, mean it. Bye-bye now.